Alright guys, so today we're going to be reacting to Diana Ankudinova, and this one's going to be the last clip from the little snippet that we have here. And the one is going to be another snowstorm, and I think we left it yesterday here. And clearly, this is a different environment, and we all agree that this kind of environment, Diana Ankudinova does shine best. Okay, does shine best, and we all agree on that. So far, Diana performed much better in this environment. She feels more into herself, and compared to the other video that I didn't like much, I would say, where she went to that TV program and started singing Blizzard. Even though she did a good job, but she did not feel herself in that performance. We're gonna jump in on this one, and hopefully we can enjoy it and just have that great experience. Make sure you like to subscribe. Also keep recommending those videos in the comment section below. And also for donation, you can click the super chat or donate in the description down below. Let's jump in.
Огромное спасибо. Сейчас так сложно, большое честно.
Such a humble person, man. Such a
Вот
humble
после
person.
реченьки я как-то даже подрасслабилась, что ли, как-то уже покомфортнее себя чувствую. Да, за что мы сейчас на эту сцену я хотела бы пригласить человека, с которым недавно познакомилась. Сейчас мы хотели бы исполнить для вас песню «Опять, метель».
Okay. That was kind of quick, don't you think? Kind of awkward. Very awkward.
Уже который год, и с тех пор отчет моих нечаянных потерь остановленный кого-то ждет. Опять метель и мается былое в темноте. Опять метель, две вечности сошлись в один короткий день.
Too tight, man, bro. You have to let it go, man. Too tight.
На пороге долго не таись, ведь теперь в нашей повторившейся любви станет сроком давности вся жизнь. Опять метель и мается былой в темноте. Опять метель.
Man, that orchestra arrangement.
В один короткий день. Опять метель и мается былой в темноте. Опять метель. Две вечности сошлись в один короткий день.
Beautiful. Beautiful. Wow. Oh.
Короткий день.
Bravo. Bravo.
Илья Викторов.
She was a little uncomfortable with that last one. Now let's just watch that one more time. She was uncomfortable, right? No, not you.
У меня...
So she was kind of uncomfortable at the end. She look at her. Diana. A little bit uncomfortable with that. It's okay. This is she's just a humble, humble lady. She's not used to that kind of stuff. You know what I'm saying? Like these kind of like the chairman. You know what I'm saying? I don't want to compare, but the chairman is, he's ready for that. You know what I'm saying? Like he's ready for that stuff. And this gentleman here, he just doing his part. But she's like, let me see where she start breaking up the body language. I'm very specific when it comes down to body language and performance. I used to teach this for years. If you notice, he's facing her, right? Like this. And she is facing the public. Meaning she's rejecting the acceptance of the body language of the gentleman here. This is what we call a negative body language, when one side is just facing the other side. So you have one person here and one person like this. See? That's all. This one. See? So they're not facing each other like this. This is positive body language. Negative body language. And through the entire performance, she don't know how to do that. It's not her fault. I mean, this 2021. She might just learn this new stuff, or she look like a person that, still not there. You know what I'm saying? Like, it's just my opinion, right? Yeah, but overall, the song was beautiful. It's my first time hearing this song, and she did a great job. Great job with this gentleman here. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section below, and I'll see you in the next one. I'm out. Peace.